March also there will be snow. March. March also there will be snow. March.
March?
Yeah.
April also snow.
Tomorrow I will wear the winter boot. I will check. See, listen the. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I will help you. I will help you. Let me check how you are cleaning.
It's supposed to clean all this.
Do I need to? I can.
No, we are supposed to clean the top, but I am not doing it because I'm lazy. It's illegal to go like this.
Winter time you change the oil, like many winter oil.
Yeah.
Huh?
The
Wiper blade only.
wiper fluid.
Oh.
Anyway, in Canada they use alcohol base, right?
Oh.
In back home only is water base.
Oh.
So when it is alcohol base, be careful.
Yeah. If you want, I can help.
We are not supposed to close the gate today, right?
Are we?
No, because the guy has to come, right?
Oh, yeah. So how about the side door? Did they left it open?
No. No, guy means the
Snow.
guy. No problem.
What if the guy wouldn't come today? Then we can reduce the invoice rate? No, right?
Ask Namrata. What is she going to do?
We'll tell her next time. Before paying the invoice, you need to check whether they did perform the duty or no.
Yeah, now she's doing it, huh?
Yeah, good.
Are you satisfied?
Yeah, we need to do. Even see, when I'm processing the refund, if there is no clarity supporting document, I'm not doing.
Of course, you don't have to give
Yeah.
somebody else's problem.
Yeah,
You don't have to take, right?
that's correct.
Biggest day, right? This season, today is the...
Okay. More like...
Yeah, highest. But this is also very small.
Yeah, that's correct.
Some years is just
I think January 8th, some like on January 8th, it's the same situation. No?
not this much.
Oh.
In a very market, in our house,
Mm-hmm.
even in the house.
Yeah.
Getting red.
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's moving.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. As you said, can you
Yeah,
reach
yeah.
up and
Yeah.
clean?
Yeah, no problem.
On the bus toast of Philadelphia Flyers, all three missing practice yesterday with illness based on
I can do
Yeah,
like.
yeah. That's enough.
That's enough. Yeah.
This one will go.
Ah.
When you are driving, it will go.
Tim. We met down in Miami in December. We've been in touch.
Just.
Yeah, yeah. Give.
Again here.
This one
I think first we need to move then.
Wiper also can. No, wiper will clean.
Oh. Oh, it's like a ball.
The children will fight with this.
Really?
Yeah.
It's painful, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
You know, we hit with the ball, right? We have a game.
Yeah. I like that game. Oh my god.
feature. Because of Sleep Country, we solve sleep. Right now with the Mix and Match event, find an adjustable base that will elevate your sleep.
Oh my god.
Blue Essential Lifestyle.
Play with the smoke.
Yeah.
Sometimes you use the phone.
Oh.
Check, yeah, and it goes inside, you cannot find.
Oh my god.
Double check.
It's with me.
Wrapping legal cases on display with simultaneous court hearings in New York and Georgia.
Keys also.
Judge ruled that his
Ah,
money
yeah.
trial will begin on March 25.
Once you follow,
Uh-huh.
Fiery testimony
you can't see it.
Fulton County District Attorney Fonnie Willis over
Yeah,
the
I lost my
release
Presto like that.
with one of the attorneys she hired to investigate the former
Yeah.
president in the
Then I
Georgia
took
election
duplicate.
interference indictment.
Highly offensive when someone lies on you, and it's highly offensive when they try to implicate that you slept with somebody the first day you met with them, and I take exception to it.
You have to check it. Sometimes we have no choice. If you are going to check something that's of value, make sure that you have sort of a list. Even take pictures. Take a quick picture before you close that bag up.
In a statement to CBC News, Sangster International Airport says it doesn't hire baggage handlers. The individual airlines do. It advises passengers missing any items